Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to make an emergency appointment for an existing patient. From the diary screen, double-click on the desired time slot. Alternatively, click on the New Booking button. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Click on the Booking Type drop-down menu and select the Emergency option. The booking status will automatically be set as arrived since the patient is already present at the practice. If the patient is able to inform you of any data details such as name, surname, ID, or medical aid number, then the patient's file can be accessed by searching for the data. Alternatively, click on the Data drop-down menu and click on the Patient option. You are now able to search for the patient also by using the patient's name, surname, ID, or medical aid number. Click on the desired patient once the correct information becomes available. The Data Details section will automatically populate and the desired patient details will be highlighted. You're also able to conveniently change between patients if necessary. Click on the Close button if you would like to exit the Add Edit Booking screen without saving any changes. An attention pop-up will open advising you that unsaved changes will be lost. Click on the Cancel button if you do not want to lose unsaved changes. Click on the OK button if you would like to discard all changes and return to the diary screen. If you would like to proceed with the booking, click on the Save button once you're satisfied with the information on the Add Edit Booking screen.